Please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to watch my latest videos, and this is totally free. Hello guys, welcome to Ambrosia the Divine Food. Today I will show you a very simple and easy way to prepare Hyderabadi fish biryani at home. For that, in a bowl, take 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of biryani masala, 1/4 cup of curd, 4 tablespoons of oil, 2 tablespoons of chopped ginger and garlic, add some fried onions and some chopped mint and coriander leaves. Give a good mix. Now add 300 grams of fish pieces. For this recipe, I am using shirmai fish. You can use any kind of white fish like basa or bhukti or any kind of fish fillets. Massage the fish with the marinade and keep it marinated for at least 2 hours. Now, to prepare the rice, add 2 cups of rice in water and soak it for at least 30 minutes. Prepare it in a deep pan, add some water along with some salt, 1 teaspoon of oil, add whole garam masala. Here I am using 1 inch of cinnamon stick, 2 to 3 pods of cardamom, 2 to 3 cloves, some shahi jeera and mace and 2 bay leaves. Cover the pan and wait until the water starts boiling. Now add the soaked rice very carefully. Again, bring it to boil and cook until the rice is half done. Now the rice is half done and strain it and let it cool down. Now begins the final step, that is to dum the biryani. For that, take a deep pan, add the marinated fish. Now add the half done rice over the fish. In this recipe, you don't need to layer the fish and the rice like you layer in other biryani recipes. Now add some fried onions and chopped mint and coriander leaves. Take a cotton cloth and cover the pan like this and place the lid over it. Now take a tawa and place it over the flame. Then put the pan over the tawa.
Invincible.
Now let it cook for 15 minutes on a very high flame and then for 10 minutes on a low flame. It has been 25 minutes now. Switch off the flame and let it sit for another 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, the homemade Hyderabadi fish biryani is ready to be served. Happy eating!